The case of R.V. Byrne is an important case relating to the law on voluntary manslaughter on the grounds of diminished responsibility. It helped define the meaning of abnormality of the mind. The Coroners and Justice Act 2009 changed the wording of the Homicide Act 1957 to the requirement of abnormality of the mental functioning. However, the case of Byrne remains relevant. The appellant raped and murdered a young girl staying in a YWCA hostel. He then mutilated her body. He did so as he was suffering from irresistible impulses which he was unable to control. Medical evidence was put to the court that the appellant was a sexual psychopath with very limited ability to control his actions. The trial judge did not allow the defense of diminished responsibility to be put to the jury on the grounds that if he was normal, but experienced an atypical sexual urge that was difficult to resist on occasion, the defense of diminished responsibility did not apply. He was found guilty of murder and appealed to the Court of Appeal. The Court of Appeal quashed his murder conviction and substituted a manslaughter conviction. It was held that the question of whether the defendant is suffering from an abnormality of the mental functioning is for the jury to decide after hearing medical evidence. The jury are not bound to follow medical opinion. It is ultimately their decision as to whether the defense should succeed. The Court of Appeal also held that abnormality of the mind is assessed objectively, by reference to what a reasonable person would regard as abnormal. It has a wide meaning and encompasses the inability to exercise willpower and control. These principles still apply to the amended defense. Whereas it is now required that the defendant must be suffering from an abnormality of the mental functioning under Section 2 of the Homicide Act 1957 as amended by Section 52 of the Coroners and Justice Act 2009, it is still a question for the jury to decide after hearing medical evidence as to what a reasonable person would regard as abnormal. This video is part of a series of videos on law from www.e-lawresources.co.uk. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@e-lawresources. It's free to do so and will help us to keep providing these videos. Check out our website which provides lecture outlines and case summaries. See also www.elawrevision.org.uk for revision games and quizzes. Thanks for watching.